Welcome to the demo on Virtualization for Tivoli Provisioning Manager 7.1.1. Virtualization technologies allow multiple operating systems to be run in parallel on the same piece of hardware. Maintaining virtual infrastructure of different virtualization technologies at the same time requires different platform skills. Tivoli Provisioning Manager provides administrators with a single view of multiple virtual infrastructures and a single user interface to manage all virtual resources. This allows the development of a single set of procedures that can be applied to all virtualization technologies in the customer environment. Virtualization is supported on VMware, Solaris Zones, IBM P-Series, LPARs, logical partitions, WPAR, and HPUX vPARs. Today's administrators need to manage several virtual infrastructures that include VMware, Solaris Zones, and P-Series LPAR technology. Without Tivoli Provisioning Manager, creating virtual servers in each of the infrastructures requires the administrator to switch to the individual user interfaces for that infrastructure. These range from command line input interfaces to point-and-click user interfaces. Let's see how Tivoli Provisioning Manager can help make the administrator's job easier by combining all these user interfaces into one. In this demo, the administrator will discover Solaris Zones, P-Series LPARs, and VMware. Create a virtual server from a TPM virtual server template for Solaris Zones, for LPAR, and for VMware virtual machines. Managing the virtual servers, managing resource allocations, in order to discover a Solaris zone, the administrator will navigate to the Discovery Configurations page from the Go-To menu. Search for Solaris-Host Platform and Zones Discovery. Click Run Discovery and then select the host Solaris zone, in this case ISMP Sun4 on the torolabibm.com domain. The administrator presses the Submit button to launch the discovery. Now that the Solaris zone has been discovered, the administrator will work with P-Series. Back at the Discovery Configuration page, search for HMC Discovery. Click Run Discovery, then Submit. Now moving on to VMware. Search for the VMware VI3 Virtual Center Discovery. Click Run Discovery and then select the Virtual Center, in this case VC Tivoli 01, under the Select Computers to discover the infrastructure. The discovery process for all three of the above platforms is similar. The Create Host platforms can be viewed from the Virtual Management application. Now that the discovery is complete, we will create some virtual servers. Navigate to the Virtual Management application. The discovered virtual platforms from the last step will be listed. Click on the discovered Solaris zone. Click on Create Virtual Server. Name the virtual server, then choose the template Solaris Zones_template. The administrator will now create an LPAR. Click on the discovered P-series machine. Click on Create Virtual Server. Name the virtual server, then choose the template Power 5 Micro Partition. Also, specify the software stack to be deployed on the machine, in this case, AIX 6102 Clean IMG. Click OK. Moving on to VMware Virtual Machine Creation. The administrator will navigate to the virtual server templates to create a VST. Search for the VMware host platform VST template, in this case, virtual template _ esx3-01.torolab.ibm.com. Duplicate this VST, then name it. Navigate to the virtual management application. Here, the administrator will select the host platform that was discovered. Click on Create Virtual Server. Name it and then select the VST that was created. The administrator will now power on and off the virtual machine using two different methods and delete the virtual server. At the computer provisioning application, the administrator will search for the virtual server to be powered on. From the Select Action menu, Manage will be chosen, then Power On. Now the administrator will power off two machines at the same time. The administrator will check the boxes for the virtual servers to be powered off. Then click the Management button, Manage and Power Off. The above task can be carried out for any of the virtual servers across platforms. Now the administrator will delete the virtual server. Click on the checkbox of the virtual server to be deleted. Click Management, Delete. A confirmation dialog box appears with your server. Select OK. Once the virtual server has been created, its resource allocations such as CPU or memory can be modified. In order for the administrator to change the number of CPU, the administrator will need to navigate to the host platform page from the Virtualization Management application. Click on the arrow, then select Resource Allocations. Select CPU, then change the virtual size to 2 from 1. This task can be carried out for any virtual server. This completes our administrator's tasks. We have seen how TPM can provide a single interface for multiple virtualization platforms. Thank you.